Assalamu alaikum to all of you. I hope you all are doing well. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Taste with Mariam. Let's get started with my first recipe, which is tasty chicken pockets. Now, first we have to make yeast. For this, we take half or third fourth cup of lukewarm water and add 1 teaspoon of yeast, 1 tablespoon sugar, and half teaspoon salt to activate the yeast. Now mix it well and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Remember कि हमने ज़्यादा boiled water use नहीं करना है क्योंकि yeast activate नहीं होगी. Now I take 5 cups of plain flour and half tablespoon of ghee, or you can also use butter. Then add yeast and kneading it with lukewarm water. सेम उसी तरह जिस तरह हम आटा गूंथते हैं उसी तरह इसको अच्छी तरह मिक्स कर लेंगे. Now I added 1 to 2 tablespoons of ghee to soften it and mix it, and then cover it for 1.5 hours or 2 hours, and it will surely ready. Then cover it and leave it. Now moving to the preparation of the filling, we have half cup onion, 2 cup iceberg, half cup coriander, half tablespoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon chili flakes, half teaspoon oregano, and half teaspoon salt, and then 2 cups of chicken. Now heat a pan over medium heat and add the oil, and then add ginger and garlic paste, 1 teaspoon, or you can add 1.5 teaspoon. Now add the chopped onions until it becomes slightly softened. Now I have added the chicken. And mix it well in the medium flame. Now we have added all the ingredients. Add 2 teaspoons of soya sauce and chili sauce. And our chicken is ready. Then I have mixed all the vegetables in the mayonnaise. You can have 2 cups or and 1.5 cup of mayonnaise. Then add 1 tablespoon of black pepper. Mix it. Add red bug. Mix it well in the mayonnaise. And then add coriander. Now add the cooked chicken to the pan and mix well with the vegetables. So this is the final look of our filling. The dough is ready. अब थोड़ा सा मैदा डस्ट करके हमने डो को 2 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया एंड हाफ सेंटीमीटर तक इसे गूंद लेंगे. देन आप कोई भी सर्कल शेप ले सकते हैं और इसे इस तरह से कट करेंगे। Then remove it the extra one. Now put the pan on the medium flame and put these on it. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side until it golden brown. Make sure to flip them carefully to avoid any spillage. You can clearly see कि इनका कलर लाइट सा ब्राउन हो गया है। So we have done with all the pockets. अब इसको सेंटर से हम कट करेंगे बट एज तक नहीं। अब इसमें हम फिलिंग ऐड करेंगे लेकिन इसे ओवर फिल नहीं करना है। And our chicken pockets are ready. You can serve them with your favorite dipping sauce. I have an important thing to share with you guys. So this is the digital lab of my university, which is the University of South Asia. They taught us many digital skills like content creation, digital marketing, and this is the only reason that I have made my YouTube channel. You can also achieve your goals by joining the Diploma of Digital Marketing held at University of South Asia. I am attaching the link where you can visit and mark your entry. Thank you so much.